Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Dan Montero Show. And today, we will have an unleashing of Kit. Yup, Kit first because we have here one of the parcel that have arrived today. And yep, it's only one, and it's an old kind of kit. Yep, because I already know what is inside in this box. So without further ado, with our rusty but still precision cutter, let's go. Let's unleash this kit. Let's go. Okay, so we have here your this is your Lagowi. I don't know how to pronounce this correctly, but yeah, for me it's Lago. And this is like a commander type of BUQ unit, because the BUQ is on a gray, blue, violet, bluish kind of color. Yep. And I already have it. I have a BUQ, but still on the bag right here that I need to arrange on my shelf. And also, it's a bootleg BUQ. But now I have here a Bandai. Yup, it's a Bandai. And this is a remaster kit. Yeah, it's a remaster, but I don't know if it's a remaster of the kit or a remaster of the box. Because this is already an old kit, because this was made during 2012, right there. Yep, it's 2012. So today it's 2024. This year it's 2024. So it means it's already 12 years. Yeah, it's a 12-year-old kit, and yeah, it's very old. And yeah, I just want to see if it's just the box or also the kit was remastered. So let's take a little bit. Let's take a look. A little bit of the parts here. Again, it's not yet an unboxing, but I'm excited on building this because yeah, this is an old kit. Okay, so I think it's Bandai. That's why it's really nice to look on the parts. So yeah, it's okay, but I think it's not a remaster on the kit, but it's a remaster on the box. But because the boxes, you can see there are now some of those things that we can see on the new boxes of Bandai, which is the Bandai Namco logo, the blue Bandai logo right here at the bottom, and then the best part of it is they already put the Mobile Suit Gundam Seed logo right here, which I think on the old boxes of this one it doesn't have this kind of logo right here. And then at the barcode, it's already it doesn't have the price. So yeah, that's the typical box art right now of the Bandai. So yeah, it's a very nice kit. It's an old one, but I bought this because it's nostalgic. I remember this is the Battle of the Strike Gundam and the Lago on the desert. Yeah, on the desert. And it's the time where the main protagonist, Kira, yep, Kira Yamato adjusts the the Strike Gundam's ability so that it can glide also on the sand and the desert. So it's very nice touch, which you can really see that the Gundam is not a perfect kind of robot, or the Strike Gundam is not a perfect kind of robot. It needs the ability of the pilot to readjust and some modifications of the Gundam so it can fight properly on the different terrain. Okay, so yeah, so that's why it's a nostalgic kind of kit. And as I know, the pilot of this kit or of this unit becomes part of the team of Kira on the future. Yeah, And okay, so I think they say that it's a remaster because there is a part of the box right here that tells you the HD remaster project. Maybe that's why they put remaster on the kit. Yeah, the name remaster. But yeah, the kit inside is still the same as the 2012, but because it's Bandai, it's very slick and it's very sharp on details. So yeah, that's why I'm really excited on building this one. I built the BuQ, which is the let's say the grand suit kind of this Lago. It's a bootleg, and I built that when I'm not yet having my vlog right here. So yeah, so it's very old. As I know, there is a wire kind thingy using on the neck part, which you can use that to turn around in any direction. And then I think the changes for this one is just it has a commander type kind of head, and then the color, and yeah, I think that's it. Let's see. Let's compare it next time when I have the unboxing, the speed build, the quick look, and also the review of this kit. And then let's have another video for the comparison of the Lago to the BuQ. Okay? Am I right? Is it BuQ? Yeah. So I will just take a look on that next time. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay? So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gamma Burr Show signing off. Bye! There is a new Destiny kind of anime next time. So let's wait for that. Okay?